Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. Before we get into the questions, I want to tell you guys something that has happened to me recently, and I think it's a scam. So I told you guys in a previous video about how I made over $3,000 in 2 days on Poshmark. I ended up selling a lot of things and I had to ship a lot of things out. So I get a message from somebody that bought something from me. They sent me a message on Poshmark and they're like, hey, it's been over 2 weeks. I haven't received this yet. I'm like, oh, okay. Weird. So immediately I was like, oh shit, did I forget to mail something out? Because I mailed out a shit ton of things, and you know, if I forgot something, that wouldn't have been out of the realm of possibilities. So I first went and looked at the tracking information, and the tracking information from USPS said delivered. So I'm like, what the fuck? Okay. So I messaged the person back and I said, hey, USPS says this was delivered, whatever day it was, you know, I guess check your porch. It said delivered on front porch. And I never heard back from the person. So I'm like, okay, that's weird. Then last night I get another message from a completely different person. They had purchased a bundle from me. I think it was a bundle of like 6 or 7 things. And they said, I haven't received this yet. I'm like, what the heck? Okay. You know, it's the holidays. Shipping is crazy. You know, it takes longer than usual. So I went and I looked at the sale and it said delivered. Let me see where it says delivered. I mean, it says delivered. It wasn't at like a P.O. box. It was definitely like at mailbox or something, or front porch, again, just like the other one. So I'm like, what the hell? What the hell is going on? I don't know if these people are trying to scam me. They're two completely different people, completely different cities. I think one was in like Oklahoma and the other one was in like Ohio or Idaho, someplace like that. Two completely different places. I'm like, what the hell is going on? So I don't know if these people are trying to scam me, you know, saying that, oh, it wasn't delivered when they really got it, or if they both had their packages stolen. I don't know what's going on. I reached out to both of them and I said, hey, you know, the tracking info says this, and neither one of them have responded to me. So I think that that's kind of weird. I have gotten a few people in the past say that their packages were not delivered, and I think a couple of them probably were scams. You know, maybe they purchased something from me and I don't know, it didn't fit them and they know they can't return it because of fit, or they didn't like it. So they just lied and said, oh, it was never delivered. And then in the end, Poshmark was like, oh, okay. So they refunded the buyer and they released my earnings to me. But ultimately the buyer won because they got the item for free. So yeah, so I don't know. I don't know if this is a scam that's going around. I have seen a couple of other scams that are going around, like specifically eBay. But I don't know if this is a scam that's going around Poshmark, but I just thought it was weird. 2 people within like days messaged me and said, hey, we haven't received these packages. And of course my first thought was like, oh shit, I forgot to mail it out. Like I fucked something up. I switched a label or something. But no, both of them said that they were delivered by the USPS. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but I just wanted to make you guys aware in case any of you guys are dealing with this too. It could be a scam. It could be, what are they called? Porch pirates, right? That's what they call like losers that go around during like the holiday season and steal people's packages off their porch. Yeah, it could be those MFers. I don't know, but I just wanted to throw this out there in case any of you guys have dealt with this, are going through this. Poshmark has already released my earnings for both of those packages, so I don't know. I don't know if they can contact Poshmark. Like, I don't know. I don't know if it's a scam. I need to stop saying those 3 words. I was editing a video the other day and I said the words I don't know so many times. I need to erase those words from my vocabulary because it's really annoying. Like, it annoys me when I edit, so it probably really annoys you guys when I say it 65 times throughout a video. I'm sorry. Okay, on to the questions. I've kind of rambled, so maybe we'll just answer. This person says, hi Vanessa, I love your videos. Thank you so much for making them. My question is, what don't you like about Poshmark? There's a bunch of things. I could definitely make a whole video. Comment down below and let me know if that's what you want to see. What don't I like about Poshmark? So I guess the first thing, I mean, the obvious, sharing. I don't like having to share, but it is something that you have to do if you want to make sales on Poshmark. Yeah, I don't like sharing. I like that there's a social aspect to Poshmark, but I wish that sharing wasn't an aspect to Poshmark. I wish you could just list it and forget it like you can with literally every other fucking platform. But those platforms aren't social, so you can't really compare the two. Like when people are like, oh my God, Poshmark, eBay does this, friggin' Depop does this, Amazon does this. It's like, because they're completely different platforms. You really can't compare all of them and say like, oh, well, this one does it. It's like, okay, you know, you can't compare. Ooh, I also don't like how you get emails from Poshmark saying that there are new collaborations available. Like if you're a Poshmark ambassador, you are eligible to compete? No. You are eligible to complete campaigns. or collaborations where you can earn money. It's not a lot of money. It's actually not real money. It's a Poshmark credit, like a $5 credit. It used to be real money back when they first rolled it out, because I made a couple YouTube videos for them and they gave you like real money. It wasn't Poshmark credit. So yeah, so you can do like campaigns, collaborations if you're a Poshmark ambassador. I'll get an email every once in a while saying, hey, we released new collaborations, go check them out. And you know, I go into the app, it's under my seller tools and then my campaigns. Watch, I'll go there right now. And there are never any new friggin' campaigns. I'm like, what? Are you just, what are you, what? I don't know why they send out those emails when there aren't new campaigns. And also they've taken away YouTube and Instagram campaigns, which is annoying. It's only, I think it's only Facebook now, which is annoying. I don't like how Poshmark is trying to say that now they're geared towards like resellers, and then they have stupid things like closet clear out literally every other day. It's like, no, that's not, no, because if you participate in closet clear out, you know, you got to drop your prices on things, and then if things don't sell, you got to raise the prices back up, and then, you know, you'll have to relist. It just makes for a lot of work for resellers if closet clear out isn't successful for you. So yeah, I just think that's annoying, because like every day they're like, closet clear out is back. Closet clear out was just like 48 hours ago. Like, why should I be excited again? I don't know. That's annoying. What else? There's, like I said, there's just a whole slew of things. If you want me to make a video talking about more annoying things, comment down below and let me know. The last question is, great video, thank you. Do you know how to use the sell similar feature? I am not sure what this feature is used for. Thanks again for the great tips. Thanks for watching, Jessica. Okay, so sell similar. So let's go to somebody's listing. Let's just pick a random ass person, this Anne Klein purse. Okay, so I'm just looking at this random ass Anne Klein purse. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see sell similar on Poshmark. I am going to tap on list now. You know, it just gives you a little blurb about what it is. You can pause the video to read that. I'm going to tap on list now, and basically what it does is it copies not the entire listing. Well, this was a bad example because they didn't really have much in their listing. Hold on, let me find a better example. I thought it copied their description. Okay, but I guess it doesn't. Okay, well, so it copied the title, the category, the quantity, not the size, the brand, the color, and the original price. Okay, so yeah, so it doesn't copy their description. I thought that it did, but it copies, I mean, everything except the pictures, the description, and size, and listing price, obviously. So yeah, so that's how that works. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.